welcome to my channel. Today I will show you this amazing New Year's Eve look with the stunning girl Sissy. So first of all, I start to prepare the skin. It's really important. So I clean the skin with the Micelle water from Dior, and afterwards I will prepare the skin with a lot of hydration. After cleaning the skin, I use the serum from Charlotte Tilbury and also the magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury. Both of them, they're amazing, so gentle to the skin, and they spend a lot of hydration. Normally I use also a face scrub before I start with facial cream and serum, but her skin was already amazing. I can recommend this to you to make a face scrub before you start with your makeup. I can recommend you 1 or 2 times a week. So I love this hydrating primer from Laura Mercier. It spends a lot of hydration, makes the skin more plumper, and of course the makeup stays longer. For the lips, I use from Laneige Le Lip Mask because the lips are so smooth afterwards and they are already prepared for the lipstick. So I use the All Hour foundation from Yves Saint Laurent. I love it. For the moment, it's one of my favorite foundations because it's glowy and it's also matte. So in the middle part of my face, for example, it's still matte, but it also, the glow from the hydration comes through the makeup. So it's really, really nice. And you can see it now, for example, that the skin is glowy. And yeah, so it's my favorite foundation for the moment. Afterwards, I use from Charlotte Tilbury the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. I will use it on Sissy in 2 shades. One is the shade 6.5 medium, and afterwards I will use the shade 5 medium. The lighter one, I use it for more highlighting under the eyes. I work a lot with a sponge, but also with my fingers to melt the product more into the skin. I use from Laura Mercier the translucent setting powder in the color translucent, and I give it to her in the middle part of her face, under the eyes, and also on the T-zone. Afterwards, I use an eyeshadow primer. This one is from Catrice, and I blend it in with a brush, and I tap it also with my finger into the skin. I recommend to work with an eyeshadow primer if you know the days are going to be longer. From Makeup Forever, I use the Waterproof Fill Impact eyeliner in the color Graphite. So I make small strokes to create my smoky eyes, and I blend it all in with a pencil brush. So now you can see that I did a cat eye makeup look, and now I use from Charlotte Tilbury the eyeliner Black Panther to make a small wing eyeliner. So now I use from Bobbi Brown the eyeshadow Black Chocolate to get more dramatic. So it's more a brownish, darker eyeshadow, and it's not too black, so it's more brownish, it's a bit more warm, and it's not too hot. Now I use the bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury to blend it with the darker tone from Bobbi Brown. With this bronzer, I go directly from the eyeshadow to the nose part to create already the nose contour. So afterwards, I use the eyeshadow from Smashbox, which is a gray glittery not bronzer, eyeshadow, and it looks so amazing. Now I use from NYX the glitter primer to fix the glitter pigments from Backstage makeup, and I will put it in the inner corner of the eyes. So now I contour the face with a cream bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury in the color medium. And yeah, so I blend it all in. I contour the face, and afterwards I will blend it in with the makeup sponge. Now I use the cream blush from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Lip and Cheek Glow. The color is Color of Dreams, and it's a beautiful color because it's not too warm, it's not too dark, or it's not too cold. It's something in between, and it gives a beautiful glow like you see now. To fix a little bit this cream blush, I use from Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic, and I put it a little bit over and I blend it in with a makeup sponge. My favorite highlighter is from Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in the color Spotlight. So I put it on and I blend it in with my makeup sponge. So Sissy has already beautiful eyebrows. I fix them a little bit and then I give some strokes into the eyebrows. I use Lift and Snatch from NYX in the color Ash Brown. Now I connect the lower part with the upper eyelid with a black pencil. To connect it a little bit more and also to fix it a little bit more, I use the eyeshadow which I used before. It's the Black Chocolate from Bobbi Brown. With a small pencil brush, I do some strokes to connect it with the upper eyelid. We are almost coming to the end. So I use as a lip liner the Pillow Talk eyeliner. Yeah, I know it's an eyeliner, but never mind. It's a beautiful color. It's long lasting. It works. So use it. And afterwards, I use the lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. The color is Honey Love Matte, and I love it. It's such a beautiful nude tone for the lips. To give the lips a little bit more dimension, I add more lip liner. For the last, I use the Beauty Elixir from Caudelie. It's an amazing beauty glowing complexion. Here we are finished. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have an amazing New Year's Eve. So see you soon. Bye bye.